What's up, guys? We're in JPM. We're doing group break 85, the fourth case of chronology. We are doing the OPG Platinum box giveaway. So we're gonna go live, and the timestamp will be 1 hour ahead because I was in Chicago and my computer hasn't kicked in yet. So 3:59, it should be 2:59. 2:59 here in Denver, and we got everybody's team. And Sean, Daniel, Dave, Adam, and Grant all got 3 teams, so that doubled their giveaway. Good luck, everybody. 3 times. 1, Grant on top. 2, Dave on top. And good luck, everybody. 3 times. Grant with the win for the Platinum box. Everybody could go send him angry messages now.